In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device to your Amazon Prime Video account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open your web browser and go to the Amazon Prime Video account page. You can type the URL directly or search for Prime Video in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the page, you should see the familiar logo and interface of Prime Video. Now, the next step is to locate your profile icon. You'll usually find this in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon takes you to a drop-down menu. Among the available options, you'll see one labeled Account and Settings. Go ahead and click on that. After you're on the Account and Settings page, look for a section that says Devices. This is where you can manage all the devices connected to your Prime account. Once you click on that section, you'll see a list of devices currently registered. Next, you'll want to register your new device. To do this, find and click on the Register New Device option. This will initiate the process of adding that new device to your Amazon Prime Video account. At this point, your screen will prompt you to enter a registration code. This code is vital for establishing a connection between your new device and your Prime Video account. Don't worry if you haven't seen this code yet. I'll guide you on how to find it. Now, you'll want to grab the device you're trying to add and open the Prime Video app. If it's a smart TV or a streaming device, just navigate to the app as you normally would. Once you open the app, look for an option that says Register on the Prime website. You'll select this option, and your unique registration code will then appear on the left side of your screen. Take this registration code and head back to your computer. Input the code into the prompt we saw earlier in the Devices section of your Prime Video account. Be sure to double-check for any mistakes before hitting Enter. So, you might be wondering, where's my registration code? It should be right on your TV screen once you select the Register on the Prime website option in the app. Remember, this code is unique and ties your device directly to your Prime account, so make sure to use it promptly. After you've entered that registration code and submitted it, your device should now be registered. This means you can start streaming your favorite movies and shows on Amazon Prime Video. And that's it. With just a few clicks and a simple code, you've successfully added a device to your Amazon Prime Video account. This process is handy for anyone looking to enjoy Prime content on multiple devices or making the most out of your subscription. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy streaming!